Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change Namecheap username and if you can change it. So first of all, when you are on Namecheap, you want to go on account and click on profile. And now when you are here, you can see your username here. But when you click edit, all you can edit is actually your email address. So that doesn't fit us. And as I found on Namecheap, a help center, you cannot actually change the username from here. So, but if you want to have your website from this account, you will need to actually create a new account on Namecheap and then transfer your domain from this account basically to your new account with a new email address. So you want to create a Namecheap account with a new Gmail address. So that's basically it. When you create a new domain, a new Namecheap account, you want to actually transfer this domain from this account to your new account. So as you can see, this is sharing and transfer. So you can change the ownership, as you can see, and you can transfer your domain from this Namecheap to your new one with a new username. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.